Hey guys, welcome to iamagainherecom. Today, in this video I am going to giving you a review of Talking Network, which is online text-to-speech software. Right now this tool available on appsumo just for $49 for lifetime deal. As you can see that, I already bought this, and now I am going to giving you my honest review about this deal. So, stick with this video, and I will show you each and everything step by step. This is the actual dashboard of this website. On the left side, you can find different menu options, in which included text-to-speech, support ticket. In finance you can find your payment information. In tools you can find profile, password, and notification. Now let's talk about the features of this tool. If you look at their appsumo lifetime deal, you can find that they are supporting 47 language and providing 200 plus voices, including artificial intelligence voices. 200,000 characters for standard voice per month, and 50,000 characters for artificial intelligence per month. Audio file storage, MP3 output, and all future updates are also included. Let's talk about the deal. In languages, they are supporting almost 47 languages. In English, you can find Australian English, Indian, UK, USA, and Welsh. They are supporting two different types of voice modes, like standard and artificial intelligence. Standard mode is normal and simple, but artificial intelligence is so advanced and totally like human beings. I will also show you a demo of artificial intelligence, and you will be surprised. To use this, just select your particular language, and you can see different type of voices. Choose your favorite voice. Just check out a demo. Now, I am adding some text to show you a demo. Visit iamagainherecom for lifetime deals, making money online, best hosting guides, coupons and discounts and more. Just listen how they are performing. As I am showing you standard voice. Keep in mind artificial intelligence voices are better than standard voices. You will see the difference within a minute. As you listen, this is the standard voice. Now just look at the artificial intelligence demo.
Hi, I'm Matthew. I will read any text you type here. Hi, I'm Matthew. I will read any text you type here.
If we come down, we can find different options. In this below table, you can find time, language, particular voice, your text preview, character, and actions. You can play voice, download your audio in MP3, and you can also view your voice text. If you click on view, you can see your written text, along with identifier, voice, language, characters, and engine. If you want to download your file, simply click here, in your voice according to your need, and download it. You can change your language. You can also change your profile password, your profile picture. You can find notifications here. Here you will see that, how many characters you have used from your total package. In its editor, you are allowed to add just 3,000 characters at a time. If you want to add more characters, first you need to convert them into MP3. And then you can add more characters. You can also add a 1-second pause in your speech. As you can see, 1-second break has been added. This is the overall review of Talking Network, but now let's talk about the awesome deal on appsumo for a lifetime. It means you need to pay once in your life and never again. This is the official website, and you can see the pricing plan, and you can see that what you are getting in it. In the first package, they are allowing you to get 4,000 characters for a standard voice for one time, or 1,000 characters for an artificial intelligence voice for one time, to try it. In the lifetime package you need to pay $79.99. And you are getting 1 million characters for standard voice but for one time. And 250,000 characters for artificial intelligence voice but for one time. And if you go for the startup lifetime package, you need to pay $10 and you can get 100,000 characters for standard voice and 25,000 artificial intelligence voice. So all these are just for one time. But in a lifetime deal, you can get a monthly credit for free. You can see by yourself by clicking the link in the description box. As you can see here, you are getting 200,000 characters for standard voices per month. Yes, per month. You don't need to pay monthly. And if you want to get more, simply click on buy code and buy 2 to 3 codes. And ask them by message, and they will increase your monthly limit. So this is all about Talking Network. I hope you like this video. Now, visit iamagainherecom for more awesome content, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks.